All right, Daji joins us once again, and today's one of those first day backs. Was out on vacation, spending time with family out west, out in California. They get all these sauna spas popping up everywhere. This red light sauna.
Yeah.
I'm like, just come to Houston. You get a sauna during the day. It doesn't need a red light.
Outside, yeah. You're talking about what we set for our temperature here today.
Oh my goodness.
98, the record 99. So we almost tied with the record, and then the feels like we're in the triple digits.
Yeah, and you felt every ounce of it.
Every ounce. We're going to stick with the heat. The big difference is we start to see rain and storms push back into southeast Texas. Here's a look, and if you were watching yesterday or watching Brittany Bagley this morning, our numbers have went up. We're changing in this forecast. We're talking about days of rain chances starting tomorrow. In fact, starting overnight for some areas and then continuing to slowly fall back around 40% for next weekend. Here's a look at today. We say today because this is going to include those late night hours through the early morning. Notice College Station, a 1 out of 5. That also includes portions of Huntsville there into Livingston. If you're in Trinity and Madisonville, a tad bit higher, a 2 out of 5. But the worst storms still sit to our north across portions of Oklahoma as well as into Dallas. And even if you have family and friends in Tyler, you want to make sure that they are weather alert. And then as we continue through your Monday afternoon and evening, there's going to be another opportunity for showers and thunderstorms to come our way. We'll be watching for a flash flood risk as well here into Houston on Monday. So keep that in mind. These storms will bring heavy downpours. Here's the setup, what we have going on right now. Thunderstorms and fronts continue to fire off once again across the Panhandle, and we're also seeing that severe thunderstorm watch in place across Dallas. Our future track taking us through Dallas with those storms around midnight, continuing to dive to the south, reaching portions of our northern counties by 3, 4, 5 a.m. by 6 a.m. dropping across the metro, and then we'll continue to see that shifting its way to the south, breaking up into the afternoon hours. Into your evening hours, there's going to be an opportunity for another round of showers and thunderstorms. Once again, for tomorrow, our main concern will be strong winds and maybe some pockets of hail outside of the frequent lightning and downpours.
Pockets of hail.
But yeah, there could be some pockets of hail in those storms. So
Okay.
it's small hail most likely here. But notice throughout the week that chance just continues to increase. The slight change that we'll see with our temperatures is that we'll could potentially have some days in the upper 80s. But overall, this pushes us back to average, which is the low 90s for this time of year.
Any massive rainfall out of those storms?
We will have to see. Some of these storms could add up these totals pretty quickly because it's a day in, day out of daily chances. So right now going with around 1 to 2 inches. But if we get something else working in the atmosphere, we could definitely exceed that.